This video is going to describe how to open a project in SIMnet, to open the instruction file and also open the start file. So I'm in my SIMnet course. I am using Firefox as my browser, and my course, I'm looking at it using the tile view over here. So I'm currently in, let me just go back a little bit. I'll go back to the course. Here is the CIS 105 course. This is set up for the fall 2018, but all my courses look this way. It doesn't matter which semester. So I'm looking at my tiles. I'm going to go into, I'm working in Excel at the moment. So I'm opening up my Excel folder, and then I'm going to open up my Chapter 1 Excel folder. We have a sim book, a sim path, an exam, and a project, and this is going to describe how to open the files in the project. So you click to open the file, and you could read the best practices, but if that doesn't work out, then you want to open up. I'm using Windows, so you have two files to open up. You have the instruction file and your start file. I'm going to first open up the instruction file, and this is a PDF file, so I'm going to open it with Adobe Acrobat and wait until that file opens up. Okay, and I have that here. I'm just going to go ahead and minimize that file to come back to my SIMnet screen. Now I need to open up my start file. So when I click to open up my start file, it notices right away that it wants to open with Excel. So I have Excel here, and I'm just going to go ahead and click to open it. And once you open it, you want to enable the contents. Now, currently this file is saved in a download folder, which is a temporary folder. So the first thing you should do is go up to your file, click Save As, browse to locate an area in your computer, and just go ahead to Documents. And if you go ahead and click it, and I'm just going to go ahead and it'll be your name on it. Go ahead and click Save. And now I can begin to work on my project. So what I like to do is I like to snap this file off to the left-hand side and then put on the instructions on the right-hand side. Do a little bit more of let's close this and do a little more of a zoom so I can read it a little bit better. And then what we're going to do is just go ahead and start applying your text. So my first set of instructions said to open the file, and if it opens in protected view, enable it, verify that my Swanson hours worksheet is active. Now it says if necessary, scroll so I can see row 19. Well, I see row 19, I'm okay. So in row, it says in B20, I'm going to put in the date, 8/1/2016. Okay, oops. It then tells me to autofill it. So I'm just going to go ahead and use my fill handle to copy it across to H20. And then my next step says to change it to the short date format. So I'm just going to come up here to my format and change it to short date. After I complete a few steps, I always click Save to save it. And then we would continue working the steps of this project.